Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Prithviraj Sharma and I welcome all of you again on www.promoney.co.in. So let's begin with the talk of the market. So we already know that the benchmark Nifty has already ended on a negative note, and hence I'm going to share with you the 8 points that are important for the market in the upcoming week. So let's now talk about the sentiment of the market. So the overall sentiment of the market looks to be bit neutral, and also we can say that if the spot Nifty level stands above 14705 level, then you can say that the Nifty is a bit on a upside trend for a short term period, and this trend may also continue for a little longer. And also, like we have mentioned in the previous week, the domestic institutional investors will try to hold on to this trend as buyers. As we know, the current value of India VIX is 20.27. We can expect that this can be a little favorable for a little positive trend that may be seen in the coming week. So we hope that the rising cases of the coronavirus may subside a little bit, and which may help in boosting the economy further. So if the cases falls a bit, then there will be a chance to see a more longer upside trend level, or we may say that this information will boost particularly the market for the favorable upside trend. Also, we may expect the Nifty to open up at a gap up level on Monday. So the spot Nifty level has already closed on 14677.80 level. So we can expect a weekly normal range of Nifty at 14265 to 15090 level. So you may follow these technical trends, the two technical levels for uptrend and downtrends. So the level for downtrend will be 14670, which may indicate a little downtrend, and also 14705 level, which may indicate a bit of uptrend. So now let's talk about the stocks that can be important while you trade in the coming market. So the important stocks are Asian Paints, Berger Paints, UPL, Voltas, Avanti Feeds, Polycab, Relaxo Footwear, Lupin, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Lab, etc. You will especially focus on Dr. Reddy's Lab as well, because they are manufacturing the Sputnik V vaccine, and which can be a little bit more good for the country as a whole and also for the company. So you may follow these recommendations for the stocks, and you can get detailed information about all the stocks in our website, that is www.promoney.co.in, and that also for free. You will also get free intraday calls every day before market and also during the market, and that's for free. You just have to visit our website www.promoney.co.in, and you just have to sign in for free. Also, you can avail our daily share and weekly Share Bazaar newspaper. So if you want to subscribe to that, you may also visit for more information at www.promoney.co.in, or you may check the subscribe description box down below. That may help you to find the link directly. Also, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon there. So it will help you. Whenever we update a new video, you will directly get information and notification on your phone, and you can watch it for free. So for today, I'm signing off. See you in the next video. Don't forget to watch the next video. I'll be coming next week again, same time. So have a nice day, and we hope that you are very safe from COVID.